be making delicious chicken mole enchiladas. This recipe is full of yummy flavors, easy to make, and fun to share with family and friends. For this recipe, you will make the mole sauce first, and you will need 9 ingredients. We'll start with 1 can of tomatoes. You need 3 chiles, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/3 cup of raisins, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. For the enchiladas, you will need 2 cups of chicken, 1 cup of onion, 12 tortillas, and 1 3/4 cups of queso fresco. To make mole sauce, place tomatoes, chiles, garlic, onion, chicken broth, raisins, and seasonings in a blender. Cover with a tight lid and blend until smooth. Transfer mole to a medium saucepan and cook over medium heat for about 15 minutes to thicken mole, stirring often. Place chicken in a medium bowl and stir in onions and 1 cup of mole. Place 1 cup of warm mole in a large baking dish. Dip tortilla in warm mole, shaking off excess. Place 1 teaspoon of chicken mixture in the center of the tortilla, top with cheese. Roll and place aside on a baking dish. Repeat with remaining tortillas, adding chicken and mole, rolling up the tortilla and placing it in a baking dish. Pour remaining mole sauce over the top and sprinkle with remaining cheese. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Serve enchiladas hot with avocado slices, sour cream, and cilantro. Enjoy!